Hello beautiful people, good morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. My name is Winifred and you're welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial we are going to be drafting a basic skirt pattern. If you are just joining us on this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button. You are welcome to the family of beautiful people. Turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And if you are an OG here, I welcome you. You are welcome powerfully. Now without talking too much, let's get into the honey of this tutorial. The materials you are going to be needing: you need your paper scissors, you need your pattern paper, you need your marker or pen or pencil, and you need your tape reader. Of course, you need the measurement of the person that you are working with. So for a basic skirt pattern, the only measurement that we need is the hip measurement, the waist measurement, and the skirt length measurement. Those are the three basic measurements that we need, and we are going to be dividing the hip divided by 4. We'll divide the waist by 4 too. So the person's hip is 43, divided by 4 is 10.75. Then the client's waist is 34, divided by 4 is 8.5. So and the skirt length is 20 inches. So let's get to it. We are first going to measure out the waistline. So the waist divided by 4 is 8.5. We are going to measure out 8.5 like so. 8.5. Then from the waistline, let's say this is the starting point and this place is meant to be on fold. This is the starting point of the upper part. Now from that waistline measurement, because this pattern paper is straight, that's why I'm starting from the edge. If the pattern paper is not straight, you have to first mark your starting point. So now from the edge of that paper up to 8.5 inches to 9 inches, let's use 8.5 inches. That is where the hip measurement will stay. So the hip is 43, divided by 4 is 10.75, and 10.75 is around here. This is 10.5. The one in the middle after 10.5, after skipping one small one, is 10.75. You are going to mark it. Then you are going to measure out the length of the skirt. So for the length of the skirt, we are going to have a 1.5 inch band. So we'll remove 1.5 inch from the 20 inches and then we'll mark out the 20 inches. So 1.5 minus 20 inches is remaining 18.5. So we are going to mark that out and rule it out. Let me make you people laugh. You see this ruler? Just take a look at this ruler. My son broke it. He broke it, and before I found the second one, it was a serious struggle. So I'm ruling out the hip line. I'm looking for the straight part. So that's the hip line. Now I want to join the waist to the hip. So now on the hem of the skirt, you know the hip is 10.75. we are going to remove 1 inch from it. So 10.75 minus 1 inch, that's 9.75. So that's what we are marking out here. So, and that's it. That's just how to draft a basic skirt pattern. It's not difficult at all. That's just the basic way to draft a skirt pattern. So now the next thing we are going to be doing is to add our seam allowances. So now for the seam allowance at the hem line, I'm going to be adding 1.5 inch all round for the hemming and the stitching and the dart. So for the hem too, I think 1 inch is enough for the hem. So I'm going to be adding 1 inch for the hem line. For seam allowance, don't mind my drawings because of that ruler. Trying to manage. I'm going to get another one. So this is the waist. Okay, let me mark out the hip line so you know where it falls. This is the waist, this is the hip line, and this is the hem line. So that's that about drafting the skirts pattern. Now for the dart, I'm going to take in, we look for the midpoint. This is 10 and the midpoint is 5. So at the midpoint, we go out by ½ inch, and the length of the dart is also 5 inches. So we are going to draw it like this. So that is the dart. Then this place, don't forget, is on fold. That means you are going to fold it and cut it times 2. But when you are cutting for the back, you add zip allowance. I'm going to show us how to transfer it to our fabric, and that is all about cutting the pattern for a skirt. So if this video was insightful, do well to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share till I see you in my next video. I want you to know that I love you and I care about you. Bye.